Welcome back guys. Today I will be covering a burning issue about call recording on your iPhone device, and show you how to record your call through a free app called Call Recorder for iPhone. You will get the link in the description to install the app from the App Store. Using this free app you can also record your voice. Without wasting any more time, let's jump into the quick guide to record your phone call. When you get the call, just receive it as you do every time, and swipe to the home screen. Open the Call Recorder app and tap on the big call button. Press on call the number showing on the button that you integrated during the setup process at the beginning of the journey with this app. Lastly, when the call is being received, simply press on the merge button. No worries anymore. Keep talking as long as you want. All your conversations are being recorded. Your conversations are saved in a secured cloud storage that comes up free with this app. So, the call recording on iPhone is not a hassle anymore, rather it's easy and secured. From the call recordings, you will be able to download and listen to your recordings. You can also edit and share the recordings if you need to. It's as easy as it sounds. In addition to the call recording feature, this app will allow you to record the voice. Simply, just tap on the recording icon, the recording will be started, and when you finish just tap on Save button. Tapping on the recordings button, you can get your recorded files. So, recordings on iPhone, whether it's a call or voice, are free, easy and secured.